What makes the Permian Basin in West Texas unique is a strong mix of entrepreneurial spirit, an independent mindset, and a can-do attitude. My first visit to Quail Ranch was with Jesse, and it made me think about what this place looked like originally before it was developed by oil and gas. We have natural grass reseeding efforts and quail habitat restoration efforts underway, just how the surface land in this part of Texas should look.
Quail Ranch is about 195,000 acres located in Texas and New Mexico. We're in an active oil and gas energy development area, so there's a lot of activity out here. We also have a heavy focus on land stewardship, where we try to manage the natural resources. That includes the wildlife, rangeland, and ecosystem health.
And we're called the Quail Ranch because that's one of our primary species that we manage. They serve as a good indicator of rangeland health. If you've got a good quail population, you tend to have good ecosystem function.
We work with over 15 different partners, some on an ongoing basis. We interact with Texan by Nature, Borderlands Research Institute, Texas A&M AgriLife, and we've conducted research projects with those partners. We want to make sure that other operators, other landowners have access to that information so that they can apply best management practices.
It's very, very advantageous to have them as part of our team. They know this place well, the flora, the fauna. The part that really means the most is to see those animals out there on the landscape or see their numbers increasing. All of us share in that joy.
We partnered with Texas Native Seeds for over 20 years to develop locally adapted native seed sources that we can use on our properties.
ConocoPhillips is a great company to collaborate with Texas Native Seeds. They support our research efforts on the plant development side, and they provide us land and access to install research plots to test these new plant materials or techniques. They also open their gates for field days to bring new people on site and show them firsthand what these conservation techniques and practices really look like. One of the first things we always hear is, holy cow, I didn't realize we could grow grass in the Permian. People have kind of always thought that the Permian Basin was only good for oil and gas development.
Our work with ConocoPhillips on the Quail Ranch has been primarily through our Texan by Nature certification program. We've recognized them for their burrowing owl habitat restoration.
The idea was to recreate some grassland habitat that would allow the birds to recolonize that area. And we did that by clearing all the brush, and we reseeded that with a native seed mix. Then we went in and installed 80 burrows, and within a couple of years we saw the native grasses that we'd planted take over the landscape. The owls moved in using the nests.
One of the things I'm most proud of is our brush management strategy. We've cleared a mesquite, which has opened up the range for our pronghorn and mule deer. They're a prairie animal. They don't like a lot of brush. Immediately, the pronghorn really started using it.
Pronghorn won't jump a fence, and so we actually have fence about 18 inches above the ground. The bottom and the top strand are smooth wire, so that allows those pronghorn to go underneath, and it's amazing they can do it at quite the speed. ConocoPhillips has given me the tools to really make a difference. We're implementing technology into our monitoring. We have 3 different drones so we can collect data to tell exactly how our efforts are coming along. My hope for Quail Ranch is it spreads beyond our fence line, so that our neighbors have adopted some of this land ethic and maybe take some of the knowledge that we've gained here and apply it across the landscape, and that essentially we leave it better than we found it.
Quail Ranch is just one example of how an operator can balance mineral development while minimizing impact to surface and responsibly developing in an area. That's why Quail Ranch fits so well into the ConocoPhillips portfolio, because we care so much about conservation of the land.